Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add a folder in SharePoint. Let's get straight into it. I'll be showing this on SharePoint Online's modern interface. First, navigate to your SharePoint site and open the document library where you want the folder to live. This is usually called Documents. You'll find it in the left navigation panel or in the main site area. Click on it, and the library view will open, showing any existing files and folders. Now, at the top of the page in the command bar, you'll see a button that says plus new. Click on that. A drop-down menu appears with several creation options. From that drop-down, click on folder. As soon as you do, a dialog box pops up titled Create a Folder. Inside that dialog, you'll see a text field labeled Name. Click into it and type whatever you want to call your folder. Just avoid using these characters less than, greater than, colon, quotation marks, forward slash, backslash, pipe, question mark, asterisk, hash, %, and don't end your folder name with a space or a period. You might also see a folder color option in there that defaults to yellow. That's optional if you want to color code your folders, but you can ignore it. Once you've typed the name, click the Create button at the bottom of the dialog. The folder appears in your library view immediately. If for some reason you don't see it right away, just refresh your browser. That's it, the folder's created. It automatically inherits the same permissions as the parent library it's sitting in, so anyone who can access the library can access the folder. You can click into it now to start adding files. If you want to create a subfolder inside this one, just open the folder, then click plus new and select folder again. And if you ever need to rename it, click the 3 dots next to the folder name and select rename. One quick note, if you don't see folder as an option when you click plus new, it means the feature's been turned off in your library settings. To turn it back on, click the settings gear icon, go to library settings, then advanced settings, and make sure the make new folder command available option is set to yes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.